Ever Googled yourself, go ahead and try it. You might be surprised at how much personal information pops up. It's legal for these online sites to collect the information from public records, though it can be creepy and at times potentially dangerous. So how can you get it removed? Consumer Reports has some advice on how to regain control of your identity.
Wow, this is unreal. How do they know all this stuff?
Constantino Sophos is shocked to learn just how much of his personal information is available.
It's a little scary and just unnerving to know that my whole life history is online.
Constantino says he didn't intentionally upload any of that information, so how did it get there? Sites like Been Verified, Fast People Search, and People Finders are part of a vast data broker industry that collects information about people or companies and then sells it for things like advertising.
A lot of people don't even realize that there's tons of information about them online.
Consumer Reports' Yael Grauer investigates online data collection and privacy.
Like, these companies don't tell you they're putting up your information.
And that has the potential to be risky, giving employers, online stalkers, or even identity thieves access to your personal information without you even knowing it. Things like your current and former addresses, phone number, and email, and also the names of your relatives or even arrest records. So how can you regain control of your information? You can start by checking some well-known data broker sites for your personal information. Often at the bottom of the homepage, you'll find a link with instructions labeled Opt Out or Do Not Sell My Personal Information. Some sites may require a copy of your license or ID to delete your data before sending it. Cross out excessive info that might be there, like your license number or social security